party of one. Ha, ha, Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells, and today we are on our last meal for January Whole 30. Then we can be fat again. We are gonna make vegan spinach artichoke dip. Let's get started. All right, I already put oil in the pan. In goes a half a cup of white onion. Once these onions start to get fragrant and sweat out a little bit, let's add in 3 cloves of garlic. Turn off the heat, and I have 3 cups of frozen spinach here. Ha, woohoo! Get back here. Now the reason we turned off the heat was because we don't want the spinach to lose any of its nutritional value. We don't want to kill it. We still want it to have its spinach taste look. I didn't think this through before I said it out loud. Just make sure the heat is on, okay? Thank you. Alright, now let's move on to our second half of the dip. For creaminess, we're going to use some great northern beans, a half a cup of raw cashews soaked and drained, 1/4 cup nutritional yeast, a 1/4 cup non-dairy milk. Go ahead and blend this mixture. Alright, now let's add in our artichoke hearts. This is 7.5 ounces. Juice of a half a lemon, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, pepper, salt, and oregano, and another 1/4 cup non-dairy milk. I have lightly greased this pan. Let's combine both of our mixtures now. Alright, before this bad boy goes in the oven, let's give it a little taste. Oh, that's good. I'm going to top it with a little bit more salt and some chili flakes. And we're going to pop this bad boy in the oven for 20 minutes on 350. See y'all when it's ready so we can have this party.
Please don't unsubscribe. I'm sorry. I won't do that again. I'm sorry.
Alright guys, it's been 20 minutes, so let's get out our spinach artichoke dip and let's pray it's pretty. I didn't think this through how I was going to grab this with one hand, not. It ain't that pretty, but it's okay. There we go. See that? It don't matter what it looks like. It's what's on the inside that counts. Remember that. So, while you guys weren't looking, I roasted some potatoes. So I have like potato chips here because I can't have tortillas yet, still Whole 30. And let's give this bad boy a taste. Ooh, it's very creamy on the inside. Can y'all hear that? Y'all probably can't hear that. That's so good. That's so good. Oh my gosh. I should not eat this whole thing. I cannot eat this whole thing. Oh, I can. I just said I shouldn't. As always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. The subscription button is, I think it's on this side, but it might be over here too. Just, you know where it is. Until next time, guys.